Sa ating liga, ayan na, block ni Fragoso, Iman, outlets to Babap Santa Maria. Babap is ahead, what a shot, partner, and scores for
Ayan
now.
na! Ayan na!
Now to Kobe Bryant, gives the ball to Babap, Babap attacks, Babap using the glass for two.
What a shot! What a shot by Babap Santa Maria.
There is again Raymart Aquino with the offensive rebound in the shot, pero there is Iman with the offensive rebound, gives the ball to Babap for three. And yun na nga, Sablaon misses the shot. Babap again with a behind the back dribble and taking the 3-point shot.
And another
What a
three-pointer!
shot, partner! Woo!
Mas dreadful na ngayon ang Kamaligan with Joshua Ayo na ipasok.
What a shot, partner! Kita mo, partner, yung hesitation against him. Turnover. Wawa is struggling to get the possession with 8 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock.
Nice
What a
pass!
by Dono.
Nice shot! On his fourth attempt.
Ayan na, 4 seconds. Babap is alone. Babap is rushing. Babap momentarily loses the ball. Babap scores!
Bang! What a shot!
Beating the buzzer is
Eva
Babap.
finally!
Hey, intercepted by Mon Aureliano. Ayan na si Babap for 3!
Bang!
Yes, struggling now si Owe Medinilla, but there is Julius Tiburcio rescuing Team Naga. Ayan na si Babap. Grabe, partner.
Another nice shot from this nice guy, Babap Santa Maria.
Sorry, miss on the part of Jerome Almario. Pableo is ahead against Tiburcio. Pableo kicks it out to Babap for 3. Come on! And now the lead. Yes, partner, playing both.
Tumitira sa opensa, tumidepensa ng matindi.
Yes,
Kontra
partner.
Babap Santa
What a
Maria.
pass by Babap Santa Maria to the cutting Alexis
Partner.
Himan. And partner, si Babap again, 3 white shirts, stops and pops for 3. No good, but there is Wawa Ayo tapping again to Babap Santa Maria for 3. Kaboom!
Finally!
Babap against, ayan na, with 11 seconds remaining sa kanilang shot clock. Bulawan. Santa Maria challenge by Bulawan. Finds the bottom of the net. Grabe, partner. Babap is ahead against William Flor. Babap attacks. Fakes. Up and under. Misses the shot. Babap again for the rebound and scoring for 2.
And Babap Santa Maria.
Douglas but misses the shot. Pableo.
Big
Grabe.
rebound on the part of Pableo.
Ayan na, partner. Babap humihingi ng pick. Babap for 3.
Bang!
Money!
A big shot!
Money!
Mula kay Babap Santa!
Ayan na, Babap against one-on-one against Almario. Babap for 3.
Bang!
Money for Babap Santa Maria! Partner with 51 seconds as we take a look. Yan na nga, partner. What a pick na binigay kay Ignacio. Ayun na nga, partner. A 3-point bomb made by Babap Santa Maria.
Alam na ni Babap at alam na ng mga kakampi niya.
But Santa Maria is denied, pero Santa Maria gets the ball. Jab step, in and out dribble. Santa Maria for 3.
Finally!
Finds the bottom of the net. Is Babap Santa Maria.
That's the first three.
Ayan na, Kamaligan is Harry. Gives the ball to Aguvida. And scoring for 2. We are now tied. Homer Conda, who is watching right now. Manoy, maganda kami sa'yo. Babap Santa Maria finds the bottom of the net. And
you
trailing
go.
the 3-point shot.
Yung
Strides, drops it off to Ignacio. But there is JR. Santa Maria, baseline jumper. Kaboom!
Yes.
Don't look now, Babap Santa Maria. Top of the key, 3 fakes. Bang! Stolen by Babap Santa Maria. Gives the ball to Kita Guvida. And scores for 2. His younger brother na si Joshua Ayo during this last minutes na kanilang 4th quarter. Babap for 3. Money for Babap Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi sa tirang yun. Camarines Sur.
What a defensive stop again, partner, by Raymart Aquino. Stealing the ball over Jerome Almario. Grabe, partner. Ayun na si Aquino. Babap Santa Maria using the for two! Tumoto Ignacio with exactly 1 second remaining. Ayan na si Himan sa ilalim. Himan attacks. Kicks it out to Baba for three. And I guess, partner, that is the nail in the coffin for this series.